Hi darlings, dumelang bodali, likai rekona. Guys, I'm trying to fix my light. It's too bright. Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Lotili Toka and welcome to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for the love, my few loving subscribers. Thank you so much. And if you are new, what are you waiting for? Join the family and welcome to my kitchen. So basically, guys, in this kitchen,
time is money, babes. We in and out like we're never here. Quick meals, easy meals, healthy meals. I got you.
And truth be told, guys, cooking is very therapeutic. I'm here for the therapy that is cooking, right? But sometimes you want to be in and out.
You want to be in and out. You don't want to stay too long in the kitchen. Life is busy, Monday to Friday. Good busy, guys, and you don't want to buy fast food. It's not healthy. It makes you feel guilty. So, guys, sometimes you want to go in and out in the kitchen, make something quick, hearty, warm, homey, healthy, but really convenient and quick. You know what I'm saying?
So, guys, if you are here for the quick meals, the hearty meals, the yummy meals, subscribe, leave a like, and comment. Drop a heart in the comment section. So, guys, guess what we're making? You guys guessed right. We're making potato salad.
Guys, my phone is giving me problems. Yes, it's a sign. I need a new phone, you guys. Like, my phone is giving me problems, like, seriously. So, but anyway.
Yeah, we're making potato salad. I love potatoes. You know, potatoes are very convenient and filling, right? So we're making one of my favorite recipes, potato salad, and also with chicken breast and a side veg of your choice. Really, I haven't decided what side veg I'm gonna use, but yeah, basically, guys, that's what's up. And stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you on the flip side. Enjoy. I want to show you guys what I have in my groceries bag. So I passed by Checkers just to get some items that I didn't have in my kitchen.
I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you real fond of me. She's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking. And she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever.
Guys, depending on how soft or how hard or crunchy you love your potatoes will determine how long you cook them. So for me, 30 minutes minimum does for me, because I love my potatoes a little bit more on the soft side. Guys, what we're making here is fried dried onion, which I didn't find onion flakes at the store, so we're gonna be doing it ourselves. So what I'm gonna be doing is chopping half or a quarter of onion. I don't need much, so I'm gonna be chopping this and frying it until it's brown, and then air frying it just to get it very dry and crispy. And I'll be chopping it into like tiny pieces that I'll be adding to my potato salad. It's very, very flavorful.
But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like she's whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause
You want to spread out the onions in the frying pan just so they cook evenly and fry evenly, turning into that goldish brownish color. and once they've turned brown, remove them from the frying pan into the air fryer, and alternatively into the oven at a very low temperature, because onions are very fragile and you want to get them to be more like dry and crispy. Yeah.
Any night, any day, I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most.
We're now going to be chopping some of the veggies that are going to go into our potato salad, starting with coriander, which is an obsession of mine, guys, because of its skin benefits. Usually when something has those kind of benefits, I go hard. Hey, I am within. I make sure. Look, I obsess over it literally, because I've had struggles with my skin, which is so much better these days, guys. Thank God. I thank God. But basically, I go hard on it. Hey, just to kind of make sure that I have it as much as I possibly can. A few moments later, SpongeBob. Anyways, guys, I think our onions are crispy, so this is, I think, the texture that I wanted, and we'll be chopping this into tinier pieces so that we can add to our very, very yummy potato salad. Climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. At this point, our potatoes should be nice and soft and ready to be chopped up into our yummy potato salad.
She's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like.
So guys, I marinated this chicken breast 2 hours before I started cooking, but preferably it's better to marinate 6 to 7 hours just to marinate to perfection. But even though I marinated 2 hours before, the chicken was still very yummy and very juicy. And yeah, basically you add all the seasoning and the spices and the marinade and cover and put in the refrigerator for 6 to 7 hours prior to cooking. So guys, but it was still very good and very yummy, even though it was 2 hours, guys. So it's not a train smash if you don't put it for that long, basically. And together with the marinated chicken, I added green beans because I will be basically frying all of this together in the pan later on.
She leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel
2,000 years later.
I poured way too much oil, guys. You don't need that much oil for your green beans and chicken, not at all. In fact, you can skip the oil for this one, really.
Just give you a moment, stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride, haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment, stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment, give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses, smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment.
Now for the fun part, guys, putting all the ingredients together for our potato salad. So basically I'm going to be just inserting all of my ingredients on the right side of the video, just so that you guys have an idea of what I am actually adding to my salad.
Stay in the moment, stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment, give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses, smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment, stay in the moment with me. I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. Show ya, show me the car where you turning me on, the way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real, cause honestly
Our chicken is almost ready. Yeah, actually it's ready, man. I just want it to be brown a bit, you know, so I'm just gonna leave it for a couple of minutes and then I'll just remove it from the stove.
But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there.
Dinner is ready. Oh guys, this is so yummy. The green beans were so juicy, the chicken is so juicy, and the potato salad is so creamy and crunchy, and that flavor from the onions. Oh guys, ke di ratile buffet, ke di ratile.
Make her feel better, then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid.
Hi darlings, if you guys made it this far, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah guys, like, comment, subscribe. What is that? Like, comment, subscribe.
Guys, leave a heart in the comment section. Tell me what you want to see. Constructive criticism, guys. I'm here for it all. I'm here for everything, you guys. So please like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, I love you guys so much. And look out for my next upload. Yeah.